What's good, everybody? We're gonna check out this website called G8Keep. Alright, so it's abs.g8.xyz. That's the website. It's kind of like a pump.fun on Abstract. And I noticed on Abstract they have a lot of different types of pump funds, right? So this is one of them. So my account's already connected, so let me just back out. So if you want to connect, you just click connect wallet and then just click approve, and we're in. Alright, so we're gonna check out some coins. Let's see what they got. I think that you should buy this coin. Well, I don't, not financial advice, but you know, it is the website's coin, right? So like, let's say if you wanted to do a purchase, you'll just like put it in right there. Yeah, you'll put it in just right there, click buy. See, it just went right in, and you could sell at any time just by clicking right here and just click sell. All right, you can see my purchase went right here for 27 cents. Cool. All right, but definitely a pump fun, nice little launch website, but need some more volume on here. So that's why I made this video. Maybe you guys will buy this coin and or whatever coin and put some volume on his website. But definitely a good idea. It's free to deploy, got launch protection, penalty buys, all types of stuff, right? So cool website, good idea. Hopefully they get some attraction, but this is definitely a good website. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.